आदित्य, a warm welcome to you. This is your first amplifier. सबसे पहले तो मुझे ये बताइए कैसा फीलिंग आ रहा है आपको अभी तक?
Thanks a lot, Vishesh and Sunidhi and the team. I think listening to talking to you, it's just amplifying the kind of energy you have. This is
Thank you.
You're doing a phenomenal job. Thank you so much for inviting me over here. This is going to be fun.
The pleasure is all ours. I'm sure हमारे जितने इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा सुपर एक्साइटेड है आपको सुनने के लिए. तो मैं अभी अपने आप को देता हूँ विराम. All yours now. आपका स्टेज. Whatever you want to talk about.
आदित्य, I just have one request. आप हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों यूज करें अपनी कम्युनिकेशन में.
बिल्कुल, absolutely, 100%.
Thank you so much.
Sunidhi, would you be sharing the presentation or should I do it? Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
We have the presentation for you already, Aditya.
Thank you so much. Hello everyone. A quick introduction. मेरा नाम आदित्य कोठारी है. I'm one of the co-founders of Chingari. Let me give you a quick introduction of Chingari if you've not heard. Chingari basically is a short form video app based out of India, made by India. As of now, we have around 29 million plus users हैं हमारे platform पे जो use कर रहे हैं. There are at least 50 million plus videos हैं जो बनते हैं, and 50 million plus videos are being watched every day. So that's basically Chingari for you. We have 1 million plus content creators / influencers on the platform making content from our tech and 80. And the biggest fact that I can give you is that 70% of the content that comes on Chingari is made by using the Chingari ka camera. So that's basically Chingari for you. If you could take me to the next slide. Sure. So let me give an idea. Why did we make Chingari? What is the motto of making Chingari? हमने Chingari क्यों बनाया, right? So Chingari, like you watch in the news that there are a lot of बहुत सारी platform आ चुकी है TikTok के ban होने के बाद. Is Chingari also one of those? The answer is definitely no. हमने चिंगारी 18 महीने पहले से बनाना शुरू किया था और उसका एक सिंपल सा रीजन था, जैसे आप इस प्रेजेंटेशन में देख रहे हैं, दैट अ ह्यूमन अटेंशन स्पैन जो होती है, इट इज डिक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे, राइट? आई विल गिव यू मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ. पहले वी यूज्ड टू हैव टेस्ट क्रिकेट. सो टेस्ट क्रिकेट फिर और छोटा होता गया, वो हो गया वनडे क्रिकेट. वनडे भी और छोटा हो गया और वो हो गया 2020 क्रिकेट, राइट? आजकल तो हम लोग गली में 5 ओवर 10 ओवर का मैच खेलते हैं, राइट? इट्स द सेम थिंग with videos as well. अगर आप देखो authors की बात करें, एक और example आपको देता हूँ, तो a lot of authors used to write books लिखा करते थे. अब books से फिर वो they went to blogs which became shorter. Now from blogs they tweet. अगर आप Twitter use नहीं कर रहे हैं तो I would definitely recommend Twitter and also follow the right people. There's a lot to learn from the platform, right? So a lot of authors are now gone on tweets and started tweeting. अभी एक नया trend शुरू हो गया है Twitter पे, it's a Twitter threads, right? You basically write the entire form in entire blog in your tweet thread, right? So that's something that we observed, right? And the second and the third thing is like, yaar, me and my co-founder Sumit were like, yaar, all this is great, but if you see, you know, before हम लोग past में we used to have, अगर आप देखें DD का logo है यहाँ पे, we used to have Ramayan, Mahabharat 1.5 hours long, right? We used to have movies like Lagan 4 hours long, right? Which is now reduced to, let's say, a 1 hour का series, क्योंकि साथ भी गई बहू थी and कहानी घर घर की and this and that, right? From that, now we have come to a 45-minute format with Netflix or Amazon Prime or anything else, right? From that, TikTok has done a phenomenal job by making short videos, which is less than a minute. And that was our motto. Seeing the trend here, the entire attention span is reducing and this is happening everywhere, right? So what do? Right? The best thing is that, okay, this is something we should get into. And that's why we started making short form video app, right? Which is now called Chingari, and we started making this 18-month-old app. Until June, we had around 10 to 15 lakh users. After that, we did some Anand Mahindra sir tweeted about us. If you could take us next slide. So global. So basically, what we are living right now, we were living in a shared economy. जैसे आप Uber share करते हो या फिर अपना घर Airbnb के साथ share करते हो, right? Right now we are living in a content economy, right? And आप लोग influencers हो तो आपको पता है that content creator economy, right? So basically what you do is there are so many platforms. चाहे आप YouTube पे जाओ, चाहे आप Instagram पे जाओ, चाहे आप चिंगारी पे जाओ, everyone is a content creator. If you are good at something, you can become a content creator. right? पहले ऐसा होता था कि खाली शाहरुख खान या अमिताभ बच्चन used to endorse brand endorsement that they used to get paid a bomb. Right now, you can become the Shahrukh Khan, you can become the Amitabh Bachchan, you can become the Rajnikant or Shivraj Kumar of your particular platform and earn money, right? If you're good at something, right now we're living in an economy where you don't really need an MBA, right? If you have a passion and if you can hone that passion, that skill, you can become a content creator, right? From photographers to dancers to singers to mimicry artists to stand-up comedy, right? Who knew? अगर if I wish I knew this कि अगर घर पे बैठे बैठे अगर मैं सबको हंसा सकता हूँ और मैं लोगों को हंसा सकता हूँ तो I can become a stand-up comedian, right? All I need to do is hone my skills, right? So this basically, like this says, growing ecosystem, the entire creator economy is growing. We have great technology and we have demanding viewers, right? Especially in this COVID, if you're sitting at home, अगर आप घर पे बैठे हो तो आप क्या करोगे? या तो टीवी देखोगे या अपना मोबाइल निकालोगे, right? अगर आप मोबाइल निकालोगे तो you really want to be entertained, right? So can you go to the next slide? So let me talk a little bit about Chingari. We are a camera first app, we are a creator first app, and we are a viewer first app. इसका मतलब क्या होता है, right? अगर एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल मैं सबको देता हूँ, अपने इन्वेस्टर को भी देता हूँ मैं ये. Imagine रणवीर सिंह या शाहरुख खान या जो भी actor actresses you like, they are great at the skill which is acting, but they have very bad producer or very bad director, then the movie is bound to fail, right? Imagine they are great at acting, they have an amazing producer director, but उनका टेक बहुत खराब है. अब उनका टेक क्या होगा? उनका टेक होगा कैमरा, उनका टेक होगा लेंस, right? So you need amazing tech to create amazing movies, and that is what we in-house believe in Chingari. We are a tech first company, we are a camera first company, and creator first company, right? So we are not trying to make an influencer a high influencer, right? We are a Bharat focused platform or app, right? What we really want to do is we want to make a normal person into an influencer, right? Of course, we have a lot of influencers who are growing, who have already been an influencer. So if you have to make a normal person influencer, you have to give them the best tech, best camera, best filters, right? Best features. So this is what we really focusing on Chingari and doing this. Next slide. Netflix for short form videos built in India for Indians. Yes, built in India, of course. We have got, we just recently won the Atmanirbhar Innovation Challenge, where there were more than 7,000 plus companies, apps that participate in India. And we won it. And recently Narendra Modi ji also announced in his Mann Ki Baat about Chingari and the kind of job we're doing. So yeah, we have 100% focused for India. I only believe that YouTube and Instagram is great, but there are already, it's already reached at its saturation point, right? There are already influencers who have joined initially and become the big guys are becoming bigger. But what about the guys who are recently joining, right? What about the guys who are actually in tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, जो गांव में रहते हैं, जो मतलब tier 2, tier 3 में रहते हैं, they also need a platform, right? So that's why Chingari, an app like a Chingari or a TikTok came in place. So we basically in 10 different languages. आप जिस भाषा में बात करते हैं हम उस language में हैं, right? I can only talk 2 languages, but I'm trying to learn more languages so that I can communicate with you guys, right? Kannada, Hindi, Oriya, Punjabi, you name the language and we are there. So Abhi, what really happened was after TikTok banned, after China banned, there were 600 million TikTokers. TikTok had 600 million users, and now they had nowhere to go, right? And it is not just TikTok users, but there were also influencers who were getting paid somewhere between 20,000 rupees to 1 crore rupees a month, right? And they were all dependent on a platform like TikTok, which completely banned. So to sort of fill that void, what we've also done is we've also come up with something called Chingari Stars. Chingari Stars is a competition where you can post your videos, you can make a video, post it on Chingari Stars, go out, get your votes, and every state winner wins 5 lakh rupees cash, and one national winner gets to win 1 crore rupees cash. So that's basically, we're trying to motivate and help as many content creators as possible by doing this. Can you get the next slide? Chingari India ka apna TV, the mission of Chingari is to penetrate in every phone of Bharat. Our mission is not just to be an app, our mission is to be the Bharat ka apna TV, right? What we're really planning to do in Chingari is get more content creators, also make mini series where the content creators will be the actor, actresses, get more sponsorships, make sure that they earn with the platform, right? So that's basically what we focus at right now. Access to millions of original videos, अगर आप चिंगारी पे जाते हैं, you will see a lot, like I said, 70% of the videos on Chingari is 100%, I would say 100% of the videos on Chingari is original, made by the content creators. And we have spent 0 rupees on marketing. The 29 million users that I'm saying is 100% organic and 100% word of mouth. We have not spent a single money on marketing. That's basically what we've done. Of course, when a company grows, media also recognize you guys, and this is what I mean. If you media have been writing about us, Anand Mahindra sir has been very kind to write about it. He said that he's never downloaded TikTok, but he's downloaded Chingari and he's been on Chingari and using it. So that's basically what we have been through. This is in short, since we are running short of time. This is basically what Chingari has been up to. Our main, like I said, our main focus is you, the content creators and influencers. We are just an enabler, right? Agar any platform is run by the content creators or users, and that's what we're really focusing on. So we've had a lot of organic users right from right from Sumit excuse me, right from Sumit Raghavan, who is one of the characters in Sarabhai versus Sarabhai, to Paras Tomer, to everyone. We've been 100% organic in attracting creators and influencers as well.